See now example 14. The population of an area increased by 15%, 18%, 13%, 20% respectively. Now here what is given? Increase. Just now in note I have explained you increase means you have to add. So first it will come 115, second it will come 118. You have to add in 100. Percentage is there, so 13%, so 113, and 20%, so 120. For 4 years, find the average increase in the population. Average increase means geometric progression. Here x1 will come 100 plus 15, 115. Same way x2 will be 118, x3 will be 113, and x4 will be 120. Now there are 4 observations. So as per the formula, geometric progression will be 4th root because there are 4 observations. So 4th root of x1 into x2 into x3 into x4. So 4th root of 115 into 118 into 113 into 120. Using calculator you will do obviously. Now 4th root, as I told you when I was explaining you, 4th root means you have to do square root 2 times. First take out square root and again you take out square root. So 2 times you will be taking out square root. As soon as you take out first time square root, your answer is coming 13564.9991. Again go for second time square root. So your answer will be 116.4689. But generally we take first 2 digits after decimal. So as this is 8, the front digit will be increased by 1. So 116.47. Now see here note. To find the 4th root in this example, the square root of this is taken and its square root again is taken. Similarly, if you have to find 8th root, I told you cube root you will not get. 8th root means first time square root, second time square root, and again of that third time square root. So whenever you get 8th root, you have to go for 3 times square root. Now see example 15. The geometric mean of 2 numbers is 2. Here geometric mean is provided to us. The geometric mean of 2 numbers is 2. If one number is 4 times the other number, one number is 4 times the other number. So if we assume first number as A, then second number will be 4 times of it, that means 4A. If we assume first number as A, then second number is 4 times, so it is 4A. Now geometric mean formula, as there are 2 numbers, so G is square root of x1 into x2. G is given to us, that is 2. So 2 is equal to, first number is A, second number is 4A. So A into 4A, so square root of 4A square. So 2 is equal to square root of 4A square. But square root of 4 is 2 and square root of A square is A. So 2 is equal to 2A. Taking 2 in denominator, so 2 by 2, 1. So A is equal to 1. Thus we get the first number x1 is A and the second number x2, that is 4A, is equal to 4 into A is 1. So 4 ones are 4. Now see illustration 16 also. Find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic means our regular mean, and geometric mean of 2 numbers 9 and 16, and verify that x bar is greater than G. We have to find arithmetic mean also and geometric mean also. Arithmetic mean is sum of observations by number of observations. So first we will find arithmetic mean, that is x bar is equal to sigma xi upon n. So 9 plus 16 by 2, 16 plus 9, 25. So 25 by 2, so 12.5. Now geometric mean, G is, as there are 2 observations, so square root of x1 into x2. So 16 into 9, 144, so 12. You can see 12.5 is greater than 12. That means arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean, that is x bar is greater than G. Now you will complete all these 3 illustrations in notebook. After that you will write advantage of geometric mean, disadvantage of geometric mean, and then it is coming next exercise that also you will complete today. Okay.